Introduction Maya. Hey there, have you ever felt like you're not good enough, like you're just pretending to be confident? Well, you're not alone. Building confidence is a skill that can be learned, and today we're going to break it down into simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build the confidence that people can actually feel. Understanding self-confidence Maya. So, what is self-confidence? Simply put, it's the feeling that you can handle any situation that comes your way. It's not about being perfect, it's about being capable. Think of it like this: if you're confident, you feel like you can learn new skills, make tough decisions, and take on challenges. You're not held back by fear or self-doubt. Identifying self-doubt Maya. Now, let's talk about self-doubt. It's the voice in your head that says you're not good enough. It's the feeling that you're going to fail or make a fool of yourself. Recognizing self-doubt is the first step to overcoming it. Take a moment to think about when you last felt self-doubt creeping in. Was it during a presentation? A job interview? A social situation? The power of positive self-talk Maya. Now that we've identified self-doubt, let's talk about the power of positive self-talk. This is the practice of replacing negative thoughts with positive, empowering ones. For example, if you're worried about a presentation, instead of thinking I'm going to fail, try thinking I'm well prepared and I can do this. Setting realistic goals Maya. Next, let's talk about setting realistic goals. This is a crucial step in building confidence. When you set achievable goals, you build momentum and develop a sense of competence. Think about it like this: if you set a goal to learn a new language, start with small, manageable tasks like practicing for 10 minutes a day. Celebrating small wins Maya. Now that we've set our goals, let's talk about celebrating small wins. This is where most people go wrong. They focus on the big picture and get discouraged when they don't see immediate results. Celebrate each small victory, no matter how insignificant it may seem. This will help you build momentum and develop a sense of accomplishment. Learning from failure Maya. We all make mistakes. It's how we learn from them that matters. When you fail, don't beat yourself up over it. Instead, ask yourself what you could have done differently. Use this as an opportunity to learn and grow. Building self-esteem Maya. Now, let's talk about building self-esteem. This is closely tied to confidence. When you feel good about yourself, you're more likely to take risks and face challenges head-on. Think about it like this: if you feel good about your appearance, you're more likely to take risks in social situations. Practicing confidence Maya. Finally, let's talk about practicing confidence. This is the most important part of building confidence. You can't just talk about it, you have to live it. Practice confidence by taking on new challenges, speaking up in social situations, and pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. Overcoming self-doubt Maya. So, how do you overcome self-doubt? It's simple: focus on what you can control. Instead of worrying about what others think, focus on your own thoughts and actions. Remember, self-doubt is just a thought, it's not a fact. Building confidence in relationships Maya. Building confidence in relationships is also crucial. When you feel confident around others, you're more likely to form deep, meaningful connections. Think about it like this: if you feel confident in your abilities, you're more likely to trust others and form strong relationships. Recap and call to action Maya. That's it. In this video, we've covered the simple steps to building confidence. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being capable. Celebrate small wins, learn from failure, and practice confidence every day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on building confidence and self-esteem.